In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a visually captivating food animation with Canva. Please like and subscribe. Make ice cream animation. We will make this animation. Let's start. Open Canva and choose Video, then YouTube Video. Then go to Elements. Choose Graphics in the search bar. Write ice cream. Choose this one. Then choose Background. Right-click and set image as background. Go to Text and add text. Click on Add a heading. Write here ice cream. Enlarge the text. Click on Layer and choose Send Backward. Change the color of text from black to red. Select the ice cream and animate it. Scroll down on left side and add motion effects. Choose Rotate. Reduce speed. Select the ice cream text now. And then animate the text ice cream now. Click on Animate on top bar. Go to Basic and scroll down. Choose Add motion effects. Choose Rotate. Reduce speed. Then choose Effects. Use Splice. Choose Color Neon and choose Shape Curve. In this stage, your video should look like this. Please like and subscribe. Make burger animation. We will create burger animation now. Copy the first ice cream clip and make duplicate. Go to Elements. In the search bar, write down burger. Choose this one. Delete the ice cream one. Move it on middle. Then change the text. In the search box, write down background. Select and right-click. Set image as background. Select the text color and change it on gray color. Now make third animation. Make popcorn animation. Choose background and repeat the same steps followed by ice cream video clip animation process. Add transition. Click on in between two clips to add transition. Choose flow. Add transition on second and third clip. Then click on Share and download the whole file as a MP4 file. See you in next tutorial. Thanks for watching.